Hey, good morning, guys. I'm going to teach you how to do Essay 5. So let's go to our class, and you are going to click on Modules. That's the easiest way to get there. Oops, sorry, I'm not plugged in apparently. Okay, so I'll scroll down until I see Essay 5, and this has everything that I need. Okay. The instruction sheet, which I did hand that out to you in class, so you should have that. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and have Unsplash where you're getting the pictures in a different browser. In a different, open a new window, okay? So come up here and just open that so that it's here, okay? And then come back to the modules and let's go to next. And this is going to be your template. So we're going to download it. All right, and you don't have to use the template. It's just kind of written stuff for you, okay? It depends on your knowledge of PowerPoint. You are free to do as much as you want to with this. The first thing you're probably going to want to do is create a design. You can choose. There's a lot of different choices. So whatever you choose, you're going to have to, make sure that, let's see, I got to move that down a little bit, that everything's fitting. And you can also take this and just delete, and then do your own thing. Okay. So if I wanted to put something here, I would say what I have, like we remember. You can title it anything, just like a title of like a regular essay. So right here you would put Boggs, and I'd have to maybe Google and see what his last name was, and you could make that bigger. Okay. Anyway, you're just making this your own. Now you'll notice that it changes every single page. Okay, you can keep that design, or you can right click over here and do, let me see, if we're on this and I go to design, I can right click on this one and just say apply to selected slide, which means I'm changing this design, but this one stays the same. Or you can click on design and all of your slides will be that way. Okay, so we are ready for our first picture. So let's make this small. Okay, and go back to Unsplash. Who did I put down? Boggs. So Boggs to me is strong. So let's just see what that is. Maybe strength might be a better word. Little kid, no. I kind of like this one because I think I could do something with it leader-wise. Okay, so a couple of things you're going to need to get from this slide. So the first thing is his name, which is, I don't know how to pronounce that, C. Diedrich. Okay, so I would write that name down, Seaddedic. The other thing is I need to know when it was published or when he took this picture. So just click on the picture somewhere. It'll make it bigger, and you just need to write down this date, June 23rd, 2018. Okay, and that should be it. Now I do want to download it, and I may just want to get out of here, and right here, this button, click on it. Okay, your picture is going to come down here, or mine do. I don't know where yours is. Okay, so here, if I right click, okay, so I just have to, and it's different for each one. It was easier on the, I may go back because this is, I know this is not going to help y'all. What if you right click on the picture and you say save image as, because this will work no matter what computer you have. I usually put mine in desktop, and I would name it maybe Boggs. Pick one. okay, and save. Okay, now I would go back to I gotta figure out how to get out of here. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to get back to my Unsplash, but it's not doing what I want it to do, of course. Hold on. I'm just having to reopen it. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so when I get back here to picture, I'll go to desktop and I'm looking for Boggs and insert. All right, there's the picture. Now you can do a lot of stuff with it, like they'll show you some different, things. Like that's pretty cool. I like that. All right, and so that's how you get the picture in there. Okay. Now here's your next picture, and this is of course where you'll talk about Boggs. Guys, make sure these paragraphs are long enough and you talk about Boggs like how he influenced or impacted the revolution, or even how they impacted Katniss. Okay. All right, let me show you Works Cited because this is important. All right, so I'm probably just going to delete this, but keep the button or the bullet. First thing you're going to do is the photographer's last name. So I'm going to put D-E-D-I-C, comma, S-E-A-D. That is my photographer's name. All right, right after that, I don't know, they didn't used to name their own pictures. So you kind of came up with your own. I think I saw that one. Either it was described or there was a name. But do me a favor and just name the picture what you think it would be. Okay. I'm going to say man on a cliff. Okay. How are these so little? Can't tell if I'm spelling it right. All right. Man on a cliff, period. Okay. Then after that, you're going to write digital image for each one of yours, and period, capital D, capital I. Then you're going to put unsplash.com with another period, okay? And then you're going to put capital N, period, little p, period, comma. That stands for no pagination, meaning this isn't a normal site, okay? Because a source, because you don't have page numbers. After that, you're going to put the date of the picture that the photographer took it, which is going to be November 1st, 23 June, and he took it in 2018, period. Then you're going to write web, period, and then you put the date that you accessed it, which for me is today, 21st July 2021, period. And I'm done. Okay, so you would do the same thing. Photographer's last name first, name it something you want to, digital image for each one. Now unsplash.com, you will come back over there and put it in italics. Okay, in dot period dot comma 23 June 2018. That's your photographer's, the date they took it. Web 21 July 2021. Okay, so you should have 6 pictures, right? So you'll have 6 of these for each one of your pictures. Put them in order as you get to them. They don't have to be in alphabetical order. Okay, so I hope this helps you. That's pretty much it. Any other questions, guys? Just email me. All right, thanks.